What if everything you know about ancient history is wrong? What if 2,000 years ago people already discovered a power we think is modern electricity? In 1938, in the heart of Baghdad, archaeologists were cataloging objects from an ancient Parthian site when they stumbled upon something that made no sense. A small clay jar, barely 6 inches tall, sealed with bitumen. Inside was a copper cylinder and, at its core, an iron rod. At first it looked like a simple container, but its design was too precise to be accidental. When modern researchers examined it, an astonishing possibility emerged. By pouring a simple acidic liquid vinegar or grape juice inside the jar, the device could generate a measurable electric current. In other words, this humble artifact could function as a battery. 2,000 years before the invention of the modern battery. Why would an ancient civilization need electricity? There were no light bulbs, no wires, no machines, at least none we have found. Some scientists think it may have been used for electroplating, a process of coating gold and silver onto ornaments. Others speculate it was part of religious or healing rituals, delivering a mild shock as a mystical experience. And some go even further, suggesting it is evidence of lost technology knowledge handed down from a forgotten culture, or perhaps visitors from beyond our world. Skeptics argue that the battery interpretation is simply a modern fantasy projected onto a mysterious vessel. They point out that we lack proof of any ancient electrical devices to go with it. Maybe it was just a storage jar for sacred scrolls, with metal parts used for symbolic reasons. Yet the mystery refuses to die. For over 80 years, the so-called Baghdad Battery has been displayed in a museum, silent but powerful, a riddle encased in clay and copper. Modern experiments have shown that replicas can indeed produce a small but real current. But no one can explain what the original was truly used for. Is it a coincidence, a strange artifact mistaken for something it's not? Or is it a clue that the past was far stranger and far more advanced than we've ever imagined? So what do you think? Was this small jar just a curious relic, or proof that humanity once tapped into hidden power? If mysteries like this fascinate you, tap the like button and subscribe to Hidden World for more real artifacts that challenge everything we think we know about history. And tell us in the comments below what you believe about the Baghdad Battery, lost technology, or just a myth.